In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to change fonts in your WordPress website. By using custom fonts, you can provide the best design and user experience on your website. Click on Customize to navigate to your theme settings. My current theme doesn't have an option to change the font, so I cannot change my font from here. If your theme does not have the option to change the font as well, then navigate back to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Google Fonts and press Enter. And this is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. And when the installation is complete, this button will change to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you get redirected to the plugins page. Now go back to the theme settings. I'll just reload the page. And as you can see, there's a new option called Google Fonts here. Click on it to expand its settings. And then click on Basic Settings. And here you can change the fonts. First, we have the option to change the base typography. This plugin contains many different fonts that you can use for free. You can see the font change in the preview. Next is the option to change the heading typography. And lastly, the buttons and input typography. You can change the fonts to whichever ones you want. Then finally, click on Publish to save the changes. This is how you can change fonts in your WordPress website. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.